I guess all the staff, just for being there for me throughout everything. Specifically case docs. I learned so much from you guys. Thank you for taking the time to teach me, to invest, to the technique department. Thanks for allowing me to crash your parties every day in class. The front desk staff. Yeah, thanks for giving me D7 all the time. But really, without you guys, there's no way we could run this as efficiently as we do. To my patients that are here, thanks for letting me practice on you and being guinea pigs for science. To our leadership, thank you guys for allowing us to do what we do and taking care of patients. To my family, thank you for just being there, being supportive. To friends, since day one, 2 P's in the pod. To my wife, thanks for going through everything with me since day one, and then all the boards, all the finals. And then I'll leave you, I guess, underclassmen with advice of do not fail, or do not be scared to fail. And I don't mean that like fail in class. I mean, you're gonna have hard patients that you think you're failing, but you're not. Don't be scared to try something new and keep on moving. So with that being said, to the new road.